Good morning, class. This is Nancy Gupta here. And as we are going to discuss the topic of corporate tax planning, today I'm going to discuss the basic terminology of corporate tax planning. Hello, everyone. This is CMA Lieutenant Nancy Gupta. And we are going to discuss basic concept of income tax. In basic concept, I'll start with the assessment year. What is assessment year? Actually, the period starts from 1st April and ends on 31st March every year. It's called the financial year. And if I'll talk about assessment year, the current year running and which starts from 1st April and will end on 31st March. Say, take an example of 2019, 2021. It is 25th of August 2020. The assessment year of this date is 1st April 2020 and it will end on 31st March 2021. This will be your assessment year. The definition is assessment year means the period starting from April 1st and ending on 31st March of the next year of an assessee is taxed during the next following assessment year at the rate prescribed by the relevant Finance Act. Next is definition. Assessment year is the year in which one file income tax return of the year prior to it. That is financial year. It is the year in which the income that one has earned in the financial year that is just ended is evaluated. For example, whatever income we have generated through various sources in 2019-20, that was financial year or the previous year. In this assessment year, we are going to pay tax on that only. Next is income earned in a year is taxable in the next year, which I want to say here. The year in which income is earned is known as previous year, and the next year in which taxable is known as assessment year. Previous year is the financial year immediately preceding the assessment year. All the SSC required to follow financial year, that is April 1st to 31st March as the previous year. The uniform previous year has to be followed for all sources of income. The assessment year is the year that comes after the financial year. That is the time in which the income earned during financial year is assessed and taxed. Both financial year, that is previous year, and assessment year starts on 1st April and ends on 31st March. For instance, financial year 1920 and assessment year 2021 are one and the same. Let us take some example. 1st April 2019 to 31st March 2020. What will be the assessment year or previous year? That will be a 1920. And the assessment year will be 2021. The income earned or generated in the period of 1st April 2019 to 31st March 2020. The financial year will be 1920 and assessment year will be 2021. Now let us take second example, that is 1st April 2018 to 31st March 2019. The assessment year will be 1920 and the financial year or previous year will be 1819. Let us take another example, that is 1718. Then the financial year or previous year will be 1718 and assessment year will be 1819. As 1st April 2016 to 31st March 2017, the financial year will be 1617 and the assessment year will be 1718. What is the difference between assessment year and financial year? From an income tax perspective, Financial year is the year in which you earn an income. It is also called previous year. Please take care of this, that financial year is previous year. Assessment year is the year following the financial year in which you have to evaluate previous year income and pay taxes on it. That means in assessment year, you are going to pay tax on the income which you have earned in the previous year or financial year. For instance, if your financial year is 1st April 2019 to 31st March 2020, then it is known as financial year or previous year. The assessment year for the money earned during this period would begin after the financial year ends. That is from 1st April 2020 to 31st March 2021. Hence, the assessment year will be 2021. Here are some exceptions of this assessment year and previous year, which include 5 such cases: Section 172, 173, 174, 175 and 176. Just give me a minute.